Terrorism charges. Two words that carry a weight of dread and fear, a weight that is amplified when it involves 84 defendants accused of plotting attacks on the very soil they call home. The gravity of these charges is immense, stretching far beyond the individual to the very fabric of society that these individuals are purported to have threatened. These defendants, it is alleged, have an affiliation with the outlawed Muslim Brotherhood. They stand accused of creating an organization known as the Justice and Dignity Committee, a name that belies its purported intentions. This committee, it is claimed, was designed to incite public dissent, to spark clashes with security services, and to destabilize the social order. Yet the charges don't stop there. The prosecution alleges money laundering activities and the establishment of a clandestine organization with the intention of carrying out violent and terrorist acts within the United Arab Emirates. This is no trivial accusation. The charges carry a weight that could alter the course of lives and reshape the future of a nation, but in a court of law, accusations are not enough. Evidence must be presented, arguments made, and justice served. As the gavel fell, the trial began. The prosecution presented their evidence, the defense countered. A dance of legalities ensued. In the heart of Abu Dhabi, a courtroom buzzed with anticipation as the trial commenced. 84 defendants, allegedly affiliated with the outlawed Muslim Brotherhood, stood accused of leading an organization known as the Justice and Dignity Committee, with the intent to incite public dissent and clashes with security forces. The charges were grave, encompassing allegations of plotting attacks on UAE soil, money laundering, and establishing a clandestine organization for violent and terrorist acts. The prosecution laid their evidence before the court, a tapestry of incriminating facts and damning allegations. But the defense was not without its own strategy. They argued that their clients lacked criminal intent due to ignorance of the organization's true intentions. A bold move, yet one that could potentially sway the scales of justice in their favor. Yet, as the arguments were presented and the tension in the room grew, a decision was made. The trial would not reach its conclusion that day. An adjournment was called, setting the date for the next hearing on April 18th. This would allow for the completion of defense pleas, a vital part of the trial process. And so the stage is set for a continuation of this high-stakes legal battle. The defendants, the prosecution, and the nation await the next act. The implications of this case go beyond the courtroom. They touch upon the very fabric of society, the sense of security, the faith in justice. In the face of such grave accusations, the public's faith in the justice system is put to the test. The repercussions are felt far and wide, from the local communities to the global stage. The outcome will either bolster or shake the trust in the rule of law, not just in the UAE, but potentially worldwide. As the world watches, the question remains, will justice prevail?